Welcome back to Learning Technology. My name is Justin. This tutorial won't take very long. It's actually really great. I've used this for years. I have not paid Spotify a dime, and I've been able to listen to my music, customize my songs, playlists, albums, play them in the order that I want to without that Pandora-like ability to where it just automatically shuffles some songs and music randomly, and you can't really pick what you're wanting to listen to. Spotify allows you to do this and has been for several years with two main methods. One is the application that you can download on either the Mac or the PC, the desktop application. I'll show you. The other one is with a tablet, usually an iPad, and I'll explain why it's usually not available on Android tablets. Specifically, Spotify allows it that if you use either of these methods, they will not automatically shuffle around your music. You don't have to upgrade any sort of premium subscription of $10 or more a month. It's not even a catch really, it's just that they're going to play occasional ads for you, show you advertisements in their applications, but that's it. It's wonderful. You don't have to pay them anything. The only caveat is people mostly play their music on their phones. That's the main standard today, usually. This is not available on phones. That's the only drawback. A solution that you can think of is most cell phone plans have built-in hotspot capability. So if you take your laptop with you or your tablet, put Spotify on it, enjoy your day, and just play the music through either your laptop, desktop, or your iPad. And just use your phone's internet connection. So I'm going to show you here with Spotify open. First, just to show you, it wants me to upgrade my account, and it will actually load the web browser, and it will tell me that it wants to upgrade to premium for $10 a month. I haven't upgraded, nor will I. So again, in the desktop application, you can just type in an artist, and you can pick their albums, their songs, their popular songs to listen to. You can organize playlists, albums, and you can see here that if we just pick an album, we can just play it. First, we can view it, we can save it to a playlist. But if you notice here, it's going to play in order without any ability or necessity to upgrade. And if I set the fast forward track here to the next one, it's going to play track number 2. And so on and so forth. This is great. It's free, it's easy. I want to show you how it works on an iPad. It's the exact same thing. The interface might look a shade different. So on the iPad here, when we open up Spotify, it's almost the exact same interface, and we can search for whatever we'd like, and we can look up any band that we want to, or any artist, or any genre, find the specific one that we're looking for, and again, we can actually play it. And we can go to the next one. We're still in the same album, and is playing in the order that it's presented. And there's no paid version. That's simply it. A brief explanation of why I said iPad and not like an Android tablet is, without making it a longer explanation with technology. Android, Spotify does not recognize that it's a tablet that you're using with the Android operating system in almost all of its circumstances. So I would not recommend you buying an Android tablet and then expecting Spotify to work for free. I've owned Android tablets in the past, and it doesn't recognize it as a tablet. It recognizes it as a phone per se, with how the software works. And that's it. Thank you so much for listening. If you appreciate the content that's provided, Please like and subscribe. You're welcome to comment. There's also a link to Amazon in the description that helps support my channel to the ability to have these videos for you regularly. Thank you so much for watching.